Welcome to our journey through space. Today, we're exploring Mercury, a small planet closest to our Sun. It's often forgotten, but Mercury has many secrets about how our solar system began. Let's discover the wonders of Mercury, the speedy planet. In our solar system, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and moves faster in its orbit than any other planet. Though smaller than Earth, Mercury is important. It goes around the Sun in just 88 days, which means its year is very short. Mercury helps us learn about how planets form and how the Sun affects them. Mercury was formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Its surface, full of craters, shows it's had a rough past. Interestingly enough, even with its hot surface, Mercury has ice in some craters that the Sun never reaches. This is surprising and makes us rethink what we know about this planet. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, not like Earth's at all. It's made mostly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen. This thin layer doesn't protect the planet much from the Sun's rays. Mercury is a place where instead of rain, we see meteor showers lighting up the sky. Its tough environment is interesting but challenging to understand. A day on Mercury is longer than its year because it spins slowly. This leads to big temperature changes, very hot in sunlight and freezing in the dark. The thin air on Mercury can't hold on to heat, making it one of the most extreme places in our solar system. In old Roman stories, Mercury was the last messenger of the gods. It got its name because it moves quickly in the sky. But science shows us more about Mercury. It surprises scientists with its unusual orbit and many unknowns, helping us learn about our solar system's past. We've sent space missions like Mariner 10 and Messenger to Mercury. They've flown far to give us new pictures and information. Thanks to these missions, we know more about Mercury's magnetic field, thin air, and interesting inside. Mercury keeps surprising us. New studies show it's getting smaller, which could mean its core is cooling down. They've also found magnetic tornadoes, a new idea that changes how we see Mercury's magnetic surroundings. Mercury doesn't have life as we know it, but it makes us think of what-if ideas. What if Earth was where Mercury is? Our oceans would dry up, and life wouldn't be possible. These thoughts help us understand how delicate life is on a planet. People have been watching Mercury for a very long time. Right now, we can't send people there because it's too harsh. But maybe robots will go there in the future, teaching us more and maybe even preparing for humans to visit other planets. For those who love taking pictures of the stars, Mercury is a fun challenge. It's often hidden by the Sun's brightness. The best time to see it is during the early evening or morning. With some patience and the right tools, you can take amazing pictures of this hidden planet. Could we live on Mercury one day? It's just a dream for now. Imagine dome homes in Mercury's cold craters. These places might use the ice and get energy from the Sun. It's a big challenge, but who knows what we could do in the future. What do you find most exciting about Mercury? Tell us in the comments, and let us know which planet you'd like to explore next. Your curiosity leads the way. Thanks for joining our trip to Mercury. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures in space. Stay tuned for where we're headed next. Keep exploring and wondering. Until next time, enjoy the skies and happy stargazing.